So in the last video, we discussed about how actually we can add any element inside the list. It can be more than one value. It can be a single value in the desired location or at the last of the list. Let's see how we can remove any element from the list. So for that, we have different functions are there. Let's see. So removing element from the list. Okay. So for that, we have some functions. Like first of all, we have pop function. We have remove function, we have del keyword, and we have clear function. So see, these are the functions by which we can remove any element from the list. Let's see one by one. So first of all, what is pop function? So by using pop function, you can remove any element, any single element from the list by using its index value. So let's see. First of all, so remove single element or one element by using index from the list. Okay, same way, remove. So remove one element by using, in this case, in remove function, you don't need to use the index value, but you can just use the object name or the exact value. So remove by using value from list. When we'll discuss the example, now you can easily understand. So don't need to worry about that. Del keyword. So by using del keyword, now you can remove one value or more than one value also. So remove one or more than one element from the list. And in clear function, it remove all the element from the list. Remove all element from the list. In del keyword, no, by using del keyword, no, we can we can even not only even element, but we can remove the whole list also. Let's see. Okay. Now, so let's see how we can do this. One by one, we can do the practice. So first of all, again, let me comment everything from here. Let's create one more list. Suppose I have this element. Okay. Now, let's see how we can perform the operation. So first of all, we need to create the list in a list in indexing format. You can, I'm using here homogeneous type already. You can use heterogeneous as well. It's totally up to you. Just for the convenience, I'm using this kind of element. 90 to 34 to 21 to 56 7 to 7 89 7 and 2. So this is the element. Indexing is 0 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, or you can use the negative indexing also. Now let's see. So first of all, let me print the value of a. This is how the list looks alike. Okay, now the next thing is, now the next thing is, let's try to remove element from the list. So I want to remove, first of all, I'm going to use my remove function, and I want to remove this 21 from here. Okay, so a dot, like list name dot pop, like remove function, first of all I want to reuse. So what you want to remove? I want to remove this 21 from here. Okay, this is what I want to remove. Okay, so after removing it, then I want to print the value. And you can see we have only single 21 here. Run this code and you can see here, this is the previous one, and after that we'll remove this 21 out of it. Okay. So this is how we can do this. Now, same way, I want to remove this 89 also. So let me just copy it from here, Control C and V, and this time I want to remove this 89. And you can see the answer here that we are able to remove this 89 also from here. Okay. Now, what if I want to remove 2 from here? So this 2 I want to remove. Okay. But there is a problem here. The problem is we have multiple 2's are there. As you can see here, we have multiple 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have number of 5 2's are there. Which one I want to remove? I want to remove the first one or maybe the third one. Anyone I can remove, no? But what will happen if I'm using here? If I use this value here, remove this 2, what will happen? It remove the last one or first one or all the 2's from here. Okay. So in this case, what will happen now? Every time we are using remove function to remove any element which is in duplicate order. Okay. So in this case, or always it removes the element which occurs first. So here the first 2 is here. So this will remove from here and you can see the output. The first 2 is removed from here. Rest of the things are exactly same. Okay. But the thing is, what if I want to remove the third or second or the last or the first 2's? So it is not possible. We can only remove the first 2's from here by using remove function. Okay. In this case, if you want to remove the particular element, in this case, you can use pop function. By using remove, it is not possible. Okay. Now, so after remove, let's talk about how we can use pop function as well. So let's see. By using pop function, now we can use the index value here. So I'm using here a dot pop. And here you can use the index value which you want to remove. I want to remove 2, but the second last one, and the second last 2 index value is 10 here, or the negative indexing also you can use. So 10 I want to remove. This is what I want to remove from this element which is situated in this 10 index value of this a. With that element I want to remove. Okay, so let's see. And you can see here now that 2 is not available here. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is how we can do. Same way, let me just copy it, Control C and V. This time I want to remove 33. So index value of 33 is 1 here. Okay, that I want to remove. So one index value I want to remove. And you can see that 33 is now removed from here and so on. So this is how you can use pop function and remove function in list to remove the duplicate. If you have duplicate value and you want to remove the particular one, you can use pop, and the first one if you want to remove, you can use remove function. Now, then we have clear function. So if you want to remove all the element from the list, you can use clear function. Like I want to remove all the element from this list. So we can do it like this, a dot clear. That's it. Okay, and just print the value of a. Run this code and you can see the output. We are able to remove all the element from this a. Now, one more thing. Suppose if I have a bottle here, a water bottle, okay, and from this water bottle, if I want to remove all, like if I want to empty this bottle, okay, in this case you can use clear function. Okay, like suppose I want to like empty this bottle. Okay, I want to remove everything which is inside this bottle. In that case we can use clear function. Okay, and we'll get the empty bottle here. But if I want to remove this whole bottle, in that case we can use delete keyword or del keyword. Like I want to remove element as well as the whole bottle also. Like I want to put in the dustbin. Okay, that means I want to remove it from the water as well as the bottle also. So in that case we can use delete keyword. It will remove permanently from the memory as well. Let's see. So let me comment it out. Now I want to remove it. A dot, sorry, del A. I want to remove this A, the whole object I want to remove, and then print A. Now you can see here. First of all, this A. Then you delete this element. It print the value of A. Then you delete this A. Then after that you are saying print A. And now because it is not available in the memory, how it is possible to print it out? So that's why it is saying A is not defined, because it is already removed from the memory. Okay. So this is how it works. I hope this part is clear, everyone. If no, you can let me know again. You can message on the LMS. I'll try to tell you how we can do this now. The next thing is how we can remove more than one element from the list. So that is possible by using slicing as well as by using del keyword. So one more thing, by using del keyword, you can remove a single element also as well as more than one element. So let's see how we can do this. So I want to remove 27 and 27 from here. So I can say del A of 0 I want to remove. Okay, the first element of this A I want to remove. It is possible. You can see here. It will remove this 27. Any index value you can use. See? Same way, if I'm saying 0 is to 5 is to 1. So I want to remove all the values which starts from 0 to 4 and step, like 27, 33, 92 and 34 I want to remove. I want to remove all that 5 elements. So we can do it like this. Okay. Or I want to remove the first and the last element, like 27 and 2 I want to remove. So you can do it like this. Del A of first and last. So colon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the meaning of this line? A start from 0 to the last element and step is 14. So the first element and after 14 step, I want to remove this. So 27 and 2, and this is what I want to remove. Okay, let's see. It remove the first and the last element. Okay, so to remove any element like this, you can use del keyword to remove more than one element. Okay, I hope how we can remove any element from the list is clear to everyone. Now let me tell you one more thing. Suppose I have this. Let me create one more list here. So if I have this data, suppose I have this data, okay? Now in this case, I want to add, let me print the value of A. Let me create the list here. At the starting, no, try to make the index, okay? It's good for you, it's good for learning. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have indexing over here also, the proper indexing. 22, 33, and 44. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, suppose I want to add any element like in between 33 and 44. Like I want to add 100 in between 33 and 44. So is it possible? Can we do it? Yes, we can do it like this. First of all, I want to add element in this list. So let's access it first. So A of 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, A of 3. Now in this list, I want to add 100 in between 33 and 44. So in between, so insert function. At 0, 1 index value, I want to add 100. Okay, let's print it out. Run this code. And you can see the answer. So after 22, I want to add 33, 100, and then 33 and 44. So if you want to add 100 in between 33 and 44, you can use the index value 2 here. And this is the answer. Okay, so it's up to you. Same way, I want to remove 22 from here. So we can say A of 3 and I want to remove it, so I can use remove function or pop function, anything you can use here. Remove 22 from here. That's it. Print the value of it. Any of the method you can use, and you can see that 22 is removed from here. So these are also a way which you can do here. Okay, so for now I'm going to close this video. For now, some more methods are there. Okay, let me discuss that, but in the next video. Thank you.